Yo, what's up, guys? It's the SMPF. More specifically, it's Jumpmon, the leader of the SMPF, and today I bring you guys a quick tutorial on how to download all the components and use all the components in order to run Minecraft 1.8 with Forge, LiteLoader, shaders, and Optifine, which is almost unthinkable, but I'm going to do it, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it also. I do it. I always run like this, and I know a lot of people have trouble setting all this up, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First thing you want to do, open Minecraft Launcher, okay? Once we get here, you're going to make sure that you are playing in version 1.8, and to make sure, for sure, that this is 1.8, you're going to go to Edit Profile, come to Use Version, and make sure you're selected Release 1.8. If you do not use Release 1.8, this will not work. None of this tutorial will matter unless you make sure Release 1.8 is selected. Once you have it selected, go ahead and save the profile and press play. Alright? If you have not played Minecraft 1.8 before, for some reason, this will take forever to do because it'll be downloading Minecraft 1.8 components. Okay? So if it does take a long time, don't worry. You're just downloading it. Until then, I'm going to go ahead and cut all of this loading Minecraft part, and I'll see you guys on the other side where we continue the tutorial. Okay, so you guys should now have Minecraft 1.8, Release 1.8, opened and ready to run. So you're just going to go multiplayer, connect to any server, preferably rockspot.com. It's a great server. I love Rockspot. But anyways, this is just to make sure that 1.8 is indeed working. As you can see here, I'm running Minecraft. It's working. And now you can close it. Basically, the reason why we did that is to make sure that Minecraft 1.8 is downloaded and ready to use. Because if we go to download the other stuff and Minecraft 1.8 isn't there, it gets hairy. So we needed to do that. That was very necessary. The next thing we're going to do is we need you guys to locate your Minecraft folder. You might ask, where's my Minecraft? Where's all my mods? Where's all that crap? I'll show you guys. So the thing you're going to do is you're going to do %app data. I have caps on, sorry. App data. Okay? You're going to search that. And that will bring you to your roaming folder. This is all your application stuff. There's my graphics card stuff. There's OBS, which I'm using to record now. There's Java. You guys are going to be looking for this, .minecraft, this beautiful file here. This has everything you will need, okay? So that .minecraft folder, once you open it, honestly, you need to keep it open. But I have a handy-dandy shortcut right here that brings me to the .minecraft folder. So that's how I get to my .minecraft folder. You will most likely, unless you already have a shortcut, you'll have to go to the %app data % and then find .minecraft. Once you have located your folder, keep it open. Let me go open mine. I'm sorry. I don't know why I closed it. We're just going to have that open because, honestly, you need it. So there's my .minecraft opened. Okay. Then you can go to Google, preferably Google. Yahoo sucks. And then you're going to go to our website, which will be in the description. So just scroll down on YouTube, find it. It should look like this, and it's going to bring you to the home page. The video is going to pop up. It's going to try to autoplay. Go ahead and pause it. Save it for a later time. If you want to watch it, be my guest. You can also find a bunch of other videos in the library. Check them out if you would like to. But for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to the downloads page. First thing you need to do when you're on the downloads page is get Java Update 71. Everything on this downloads page is uploaded by me, and I promise it's safe. It was already tried by me, so this stuff is not dirty. It's clean. It's no viruses. It's nice. You don't have to worry about that when you're on our website. So just go ahead and download that, and then run it, and it's going to ask you. It's very self-explanatory. You should have no problem getting the Java update. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it. Once you have Java Update 71, you're going to go ahead and download Optifine. You're going to download Forge. You're going to download LiteLoader. Then you're going to scroll down, download the shaders. You can download the dynamic lights if you want. It's kind of like shaders. It's also aesthetic, it's easy to add on also. Like this, the Optifine, the LiteLoader, the Forge, the shaders is hard to work with each other, but the dynamic lights just fits in there easy. It's not very hard to run. And then you're going to run down over here to the shaders packs. These are the actual shaders packs, okay? See, the shaders mod is what runs it, but you need the actual shaders packs to have shaders, okay? If not, it's just going to be an empty file, and you're going to have the shaders mod with no actual shaders. So download all of these things. Like I said, dynamic lights is optional. I prefer it. It's nice. Once you downloaded this, I already have all of this downloaded, so I'm not going to download it, but I will download these things because I need to show you guys how it works. So we're going to download the shaders mod. There we go. Once you download it, you can just close the window to help confusion. Then you're going to download LiteLoader. There we go. Boom. And you're going to come download Forge. These should download pretty fast. Once Forge is downloaded, then you're going to move on to Optifine. Of course, you guys can do this in any order. You can download these in any order. This is just how my windows were arranged. That doesn't matter. So Optifine, there we go. Load that, boom. And now we have all of the things that we will need, except the shaders collection, which I don't feel like downloading it. It's just go and download it, just like I downloaded everything else. Once you've done that, you can close that. And now we're going to go to our files, and we are going to open our downloads files, okay? And we're going to search the things we want. We want Forge, okay? So we have a lot of these. I've done a lot of takes, so there's there's a lot of these. This is the one we want. Make sure it's these numbers, okay? I'll put it back in here so you can see it nice. Okay, right there. It needs to be this exact version. It needs to be Forge 1.8-11.14.3.14.87. So this exact number, okay? If it is not this exact version of Forge, I cannot guarantee you that it will work, okay? So make sure it is this, okay? And that's the same with everything else. If you get it from the website, it should be. I don't see any reason why it would be the incorrect version of Forge. But just make sure. You never know. Just make sure it's the actual version, okay? So now we have Forge on the desktop. Now we're gonna grab Optifine. And I think it was the. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Optifine. It was the D5 version right here. So make sure it is that exact version. Because if it's not going to work. I can promise you that. With Forge, it's kind of With Optifine, I promise you, you have to have this, okay? So once you have Optifine there, go ahead and find a LiteLoader. It's spelt light, like so, and not actual light. And go ahead and drag that. So now we have LiteLoader. Boom. And last but not least, Last but not least, the shaders mod. You're going to go ahead and drag that up there. And so now, and also, you should have a zipped file that is shaders. It should be like shaders.zip. It's not going to be here because I didn't download it. I already have it downloaded. It's not in my downloads file, but it should be here for you. Drag that on here too. I already have it in my .minecraft, so I'll go ahead and go grab it and show you guys what it looks like. When you download it, it should be like so. All of this will be inside of it. It'll be like that, and then this will be a zip. It'll be shaderpacks.zip, and when you open that zip file, it should have all of these folders. Each one of these files is a shader pack, okay? So you have all of these shaders to choose from. For example, I usually use these Chocapic 13s. If I want to do like panoramas, like really high quality shots, I'll use the Extreme, which of course takes more FPS. And then if I just want to do something that's like, if I'm PvPing but I want it to look nice, I'll use like light. So that's the difference. Make sure you're looking at these, light and extreme. That's the difference. But you have everything to choose from. It's huge. It's awesome to have. So that's the shaders pack. You would just drag that zip file right here and have it right there ready to use. The first thing we're going to do, the very first thing you need to do is you are going to grab Optifine, okay? And you're going to install it. I already have it installed, but it will look exactly like I just did, okay? Now, once you have that installed, we're not worrying about this right now. We just need to get Optifine up and running, okay? So we need, just like we did with release 1.8 by itself, we need to do the same thing with Optifine, okay? So you should just be like Optifine like so. But what you want to do is, again, press Edit Profile and use Version, and make sure you're using this exact version, 1.8 Optifine _HD_U_D5. If you're not using this version, it will not work. So make sure you're using this version. Has to be that version. Once you know it's that version, save profile, and then you're going to play. Again, this ensures that everything works nice and it doesn't get hairy, okay? So we need to make sure that Optifine works. And we also need to fix some settings. There's certain settings. It's crazy. If you don't have these settings as the right thing, the shaders won't work. It'll crash your game every single time. So you have to have these certain settings. But we'll cut ahead. Oh, no, we won't cut ahead. It's actually already here. Okay, so once you go, you're going to go to Options. You can go to Video Settings. Okay? And, of course, I don't know why my render distance is 32. There's no way I can handle that. But anyways, just go ahead and pause the video. You can use these. Some of these video settings won't apply to you, but just the main thing is make sure VBOs are off. This is the biggest thing. VBOs must be off. The second thing is where is it? I don't think it's in here. Where is it? Animations don't matter. Quality. Make sure this is also off. This has to be off, not over here or not anywhere. These both have to be off, okay? If those aren't off, it's like I said, it's going to screw up really bad. All right, and then you go to performance. Make sure your fast render is off. I cannot stress that enough. Fast render has to be off. And I suggest just doing these, also just making sure all of these line up with mine, because I know for a fact these work. So if you just want to do all of my settings, that works the best. So that's the main things is, yeah, VBOs. Make sure VBOs are off. Make sure this is off. And make sure fast render's off. Those are the 4 most important things. Those are the settings. Again, we're going to go ahead and join Rockspot and make sure this all works. And it should, okay? If it doesn't, there's a problem. You did something wrong. Go ahead and back up the video and look again. So everything's working. We're going to disconnect, close Minecraft. We now know Optifine is good, okay? What you want to do is you're now going to go into your .minecraft folder. You should have, like I said earlier in the video, made a shortcut on your desktop. And you're going to go to your mods folder. And you're going to just drag that Optifine right in there, okay? Yes, you've already downloaded it. Yes, it's working. But you're going to need to have it in this mods folder. I promise. Just listen to me. It has to be in here, okay? Okay, so Optifine is good now. The next thing you're going to do is get Forge. Okay, you're going to double-click the Forge installer. It's going to bring this up. You're going to press Client. Make sure it's Client and not Server, or it will screw you over. So pick Client, and then press OK. It's going to download. And then, boom, we have it. Okay? Forge. Installed. Okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to open Minecraft again. Now, we have to do this after everything. I know, it's tedious, but this ensures that it's going to work for sure. So now, 1.8 Forge 8.7, okay? And again, edit profile, it's there, all right? We're using the right version. We're going to play. You might be wondering, oh my god, where's Optifine? We're not running Optifine. And that's the reason we put it in the mods folder. Since it's in the mods folder, we now know that it is going to run. Forge will run Optifine. We don't need to run Optifine as a whole profile. Forge is going to run it for us. How beautiful is that? Okay? So now Optifine's in the mods folder, and Forge is running everything for us. So we'll let Forge load. It shouldn't be long. If it's too long, we'll cut. Watch, it's going to go. Last time it did. All right, there it goes. And so we're going to... So now, look. Now there's all this crap here. That's good. If there's a lot of crap in your corners, that's good. Okay, you have it loaded. And now, look. Here's my proof. It's running Optifine. So you have Forge now running Optifine, okay? So your Minecraft is Minecraft Forge, and you're running Optifine as a mod and not an actual profile. So that's the first step to getting all this stuff to work together. Like I said, your options, we already went over that. That's all you got to change. You can go ahead and join a server again. We're just making sure that all of this works, okay? We want to make sure, because I don't want you to complete this tutorial and then go try to play, and it doesn't work. That's the worst thing. So now we know we can now run Minecraft with Optifine and Forge, okay? So we have that now. It's easy. We know it's working. So Forge is also out of the way. We can just put it in the corner there. We're done with it. The next thing we need to do is download LiteLoader, okay? So you can double-click LiteLoader. It's going to bring up this beautiful window, and you're going to press Install LiteLoader. You're not going to do Upgrade or Extract. Install, okay? And you're going to extend it from your Forge, okay? Find that version. Forge, it's going to be 1.8 Forge 11.14.3.1487. Make sure it's that version. You're extending it from here, okay? You're not going to show incompatible versions. You don't really need that. And make the new profile. Just use the new profile right here. That's good enough. And then just press OK. All right, I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it again. I don't want to mess up anything. Once you've done that, you're going to bring it over here, and guess what we're doing again? We're opening Minecraft again. We're going to make sure it works. This is yes, it's tedious, but we need to make sure it works. It's needed. All right, so you should find LiteLoader and Forge 11.14.3.1487. So there you go. Now, when we load this, we should be running LiteLoader and Forge together. Forge is running Optifine. So now we're almost done. We have Forge, we have LiteLoader and Optifine working in unison together. Well, at least it should be. If we load this and it doesn't work, then I'm out of luck, man. I don't know what I did wrong, because this is exactly what I did the first time, you know. I didn't even write a script for this. You just kind of go through it, and I've done it so many times and helped so many people that, you know, I was like, oh, let's just make a tutorial so I can just give them a link to the video. But anyways, so this is going to load, and once it loads, you will have, boom, come on, boom, LiteLoader and Forge and Optifine all working wonderfully together. Please work. Yes, Jesus. Okay, there we go. So now we have Forge, Optifine, and LiteLoader. How will you know LiteLoader is working? If you come over here, boom, that's how you know. There should be this thing, this tab, and when you come over here, LiteLoader is the chickens, and yay, it looks weird, but it's awesome. We have 0 mods loaded. I'm going to be honest, LiteLoader mods are usually illegal mods and hacks, so honestly, I do not support the use of those kind of mods, just because they're not legit, and it's really annoying when people hack. So if it is a hack, don't use it, but it's nice to have LiteLoader. It's nice to have LiteLoader, just in case you find a mod that's not a hack, and it needs LiteLoader, and it's there. So now, if you ever need LiteLoader, it's right there. If you do have LiteLoader mods, they'll be right here. You should be able to see them. So now we know that we have LiteLoader, Forge, and Optifine, and we're going to go ahead and join the Rockspot server. Again, we love you, Rockspot. It's a great community. It really is. Okay, so there we go. Now we know it's working. It's working. Okay, it's beautiful. Now, last and very not least, and probably the most prone to mistakes, the most prone to, you know, glitches and problems, is the shaders mod. You're going to go ahead and double-click the shaders mod, and it says, make sure you have closed Minecraft and Minecraft Launcher. If you have not closed it, cancel, close it, and then come back to it, okay? We have, so we're going to press OK. And it's going to, hey, oh, what version? Booyah! We know what version. We're doing 1.8. Optifine HD _U _D5. This is the version that we downloaded and used. I have these other two because I do a lot of modding and a lot of that kind of stuff, so I have these two, but you are looking for this one. You need this Optifine version. You're going to go, boom, and then you're going to extend it, okay? Boom. There you go. Now what we're going to do is you're going to go back to your .minecraft folder. You should have it opened, and you're going to go to your mods. And you're going to put that shaders mod right in there, all right? And there it is. Boom. Nice and tasty. All right? Now, we're going to open Minecraft again. You guessed it. Hallelujah. All right? And it's going to try to make you run 1.8 shaders mod. You don't want that, okay? If we do that, it's just going to run the shaders mod, and it's going to be weird. You are still going to go to LiteLoader and Forge 11.14.3.14.87. I am getting great at saying that, and you're going to play. This should work. If it crashes, we're doomed, because honestly, I don't know what the heck would be going wrong right now. So we would be screwed, honestly. So let's hope it works, because this is my first take. I haven't gotten this far. This is the first take that's gone this far. I'm going to be completely honest. So if everything goes right, this is going to work. There should be no reason that it doesn't. And if this loads, we will be running LiteLoader, Forge, Optifine, and shaders all together in unison beautifully. And this would be where it crashes, about right here. So let's hope. Let's hope and pray. There it goes. Okay, so now we have everything loaded. Okay, if you go to mods, you should. Oh, we don't have the shaders. Okay, it might not be working. Options. Oh no, it is working. Okay. Woo! I got scared there for a second. I thought you would see it here. That's my bad. I scared myself so hard. I thought it would be there, but it's not. Okay. The reason you'll know it's working if you go to options, and there should be under video settings. You should see shaders. Okay, and you won't have all this yet. I'll show you. That's all that zip file. That zip file has been moved here, and that's why it's there. That won't be there for you until I show you how to do it. And so now we are running LiteLoader, we are running Forge, we are running Optifine, and shaders all together. And so let's go ahead and join Rockspot, and we will see. We'll see how beautifully, boom, it is working now. And we are running, yes, we are running shaders. And so there you go. There's our shaders, guys. We are running shaders with Optifine, with LiteLoader, with Forge, all together beautifully. So there it is. Now we know that is working. Now, you wouldn't be able to see all those shaders and stuff, and that's because you don't have the zip file. So you should still have your .minecraft folder open, and you would have the shader packs .zip over here. It should be a zip file for you because you just downloaded it. You shouldn't have it unzipped yet. But go. Oh, I just burped. Here, I'll show you what it should look like. It will look like this. Where is it? Let's see. I want to show you what it would look like. I'm trying to be descriptive, and now it's backfiring. All right, there it would be. It would be like so. I don't know why it's not showing it on the actual desktop. It's going to look like that. It's going to be shaderspack.zip, okay? Once you have that shaderspack.zip, you're going to open it, and you're going to unzip it, if I could actually find it. I want to show you guys how to unzip it, because sometimes it gets a little hairy. There it is. Okay, that's what it's going to look like. Right there. So you're going to open the zip file, and then you're going to find the shaders pack. It's going to be in there. You're just going to take this and drag it out there. But we already have one. We don't want to cause file problems. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag it out, put it right there, and then you'll have the shaders pack file. And you're just going to delete the zip file. It should be empty for you once you drag this out. So now the zip file should be gone. You'll have the shaders pack. You just unzipped it. Congratulations. You're going to take the shaders pack, and you're going to literally just throw it in there. Oh, crap, we put it in the versions. Did we? Oh, don't just throw it in there. Yeah, I just kind of like threw it somewhere. We have to find that. That's not good. Oh, man. That's why you don't just throw it in there, guys. I don't know why I still have LiteLoader. I mean, Rodent. There it is. Okay, we found it. So, don't just throw it on a file, actually, because it'll move it. See, that shows you guys a mistake. You're going to bring it down here and see it is in the .minecraft folder and not in one of these random things. And let's go ahead and delete this. We don't need that. We'll even do it on the video. I actually don't use that. Look at all my takes. I know it's kind of sad. We don't need Rodent. Delete. All right, there we go. I don't know why that's still in there. I use that to test stuff on my friend's server. Anyways, hacks are bad. Don't use hacks. So you should have shaders now in here. I'm lost. I'm so lost. Where did I put shaders? To the bottom, okay, because I just moved it. So once you open it again, it should. I was about to say, I was like, where'd it go? Okay, that's because I just dragged it in there. So see, it should be right there. That's what the shaders looks like. And now you should have all of the shaders inside of here. Some of them are zipped, some of them are unzipped. That's just how it is, okay? So now you can open Minecraft and beautifully play Minecraft with LiteLoader, with Forge, with shaders, and with Optifine all together working in unison. And that's how it works, guys. I mean, yeah, I know a lot of specific things you have to do. It's very tedious sometimes when you're doing that, but that is the safest, most efficient, almost positive way it will work. If it doesn't work for you, and you know for a fact you've done everything right in the video, I don't know what to tell you. I'm sorry. If you followed this video step by step by step by step, you should not have a problem. If you do, honestly, I do not know what to tell you. I'm sorry. And also, you might have been asking, oh, what about the dynamic lights mod? Any other mods you download from now on, you should be able just to throw in your mods folder. This is a copy of my mods folder, okay? So what I would just do, let's say, let's just say this is my downloads folder. These are all mods I downloaded. You'll just get all the downloaded mods, and you're just going to drag them into your actual .minecraft mods folder. Like I said, mine's on the desktop. You grab gaming, for me at least. So you go to, and you just drag them all here, along with the shaders and the Optifine. Any mods that you download from here on out should just be able to go into the mods folder, including the dynamic lights, and that's why I show you that. If you download If you downloaded dynamic lights and you're wondering, hey, where the hell do I put this, Noah? You just kind of skipped that. I didn't skip it. You're just gonna put it right here in the mods folder, right there, and it should work also. And again, like, load it up, make sure it's working. So now, when we join a server, we have Optifine installed to help us have better FPS. We have shaders to look nice and aesthetic and shady. And we have LiteLoader in case we want to use any LiteLoader mods. And we have Forge running it for us. So there you go, guys. That's the tutorial. It was a little bit lengthy, but I promise it will work. If it doesn't work for you, honestly, I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm sorry. There you go, though. Have a great day. I tried my best to be quick and to the point. Sorry if that was longer than you expected. There it is. Bye-bye.